I talked with Carrie on the phone this morning, and he had suggested that rather than going through the Moby Max on his side and giving Bridget permission to see them, that instead we actually share our classes with him. It might make this process a little quicker because of his long list of to-do things. So if you go to your Moby Max and log in, go to Moby Max Learning, you'll find your roster under the teacher admin side. Go into your roster. Once you're in your roster, you're going to see a whole list of things that you can do over here on the right-hand side. We're going to go to Share Students. Once you get into there, you want to select all of your students that are in your class in Moby Max, and then select the teacher that you want to share with. In this case, we're going to share with Bridget, so we would click on her name, we would hit Share Students, and in my case, they've already been shared, or you would okay it out, and then Bridget would be able to see your students. If you have any questions about how to do this, let myself or Mr. Charles know, and we can get that going for you. Again, one more time, in order to see how this looks, I'm going to go to Roster. Over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to select Share Students, select all my students, and then pick the teacher I want to share them with. In this case, it is Bridget. Go ahead and share your students, and then okay it out, and you should be good to go.